So today's project, we have a ceiling fan whose pull cord has stopped working. There's a little switch in there that takes care of the light. And there's also another switch. It's a three-way switch that takes care of the fan positions. This guy seems to be broken altogether. Still sort of clicks, but you can tell that there's something just not right there. Alright, so we need to pull that apart, pull that down. I have a new switch that I picked up. I think I brought it with me. Yes, I did. Nope, that's stuff. Let's try the other pocket. Yes, I did. These are just a few bucks over to your local hardware store, anywhere from $3 to $5. Sometimes a few bucks more, but they're easy to replace and a lot cheaper than buying a new ceiling fan or even hiring an electrician. This is a pretty easy job to do. Highly encourage you to make sure your light switch is off. Make sure your light switch is off. Make sure if you can, remove the power from the room. Shut the breaker off for safety. I'm going to go with just the light switch because I know that that's the only power running to this. And the fan has no power as well. I think I pulled that 3 times. So just to confirm, the light switch does kill the power completely to the fan. So let's go ahead and do the repair. These are pretty simple little switches. There's the switch on the inside. So I just need to disconnect that one and then put this one in its place. And it looks like these may be the original ones because those are crimps, but no matter, I have some twist nuts similar to those. I see whoever installed the light kit didn't use any electrical tape, so I'm going to add electrical tape to that to make sure those stay connected and solid. And then we'll put new wires on there. Wire that's on there, and replace that. One of these wires on the switch is the feed line. If I can get that untangled. And then the other one feeds all the wires to the individual light sockets. So I'm going to take this out. These untwist. That comes off the chain. And then the switch will pull out. So the one lead will head to your power. The other lead goes to your connection with all the lights, and I'm just going to cut this right here and then use that to crimp to the new switch. Out with the old and in with the new. There's the new switch installed. Definitely sounds better. So this will connect back to my neutral, and then one of these needs to connect to the existing light harness, and the other one will connect to our feed. This is an open and closed switch, so it doesn't matter which polarity. Just need to connect them together. Electrical tape will keep that from wiggling apart over the years. Nice solid connection now. Now we connect our inertial and hot back up. Tip for you on these glasses, on these lights. There's a ridge here, and the screws are meant to go in that ridge. Don't tighten the screws, just get them in so they're sitting on that ridge. If you tighten them, the glass will eventually break, especially if you tighten them really tight. You just want to bring them in just enough that they're catching on that glass. Go to you feel it touch, back up just a little bit, and call it good. Some have rubber band around it. If you can put a rubber band around it, that's even better. You can just run it up so it touches the rubber band, and that'll keep the vibration from letting that screw wiggle loose. And there you have it. Now that's the one bulb that seems to be blown. We are good to go. Let's make sure that it is the bulb in that socket. Yep, definitely a bad bulb. But we have a working switch and a working light. Have a great day, everyone.